Hello everyone, I am Sanjay Kumar. Today I am here to present you my hackathon project whose title is Geo-Visualization of Indian States and Union Territories. This project I have developed which can be implemented for educational purposes. It can be useful for the students who wants to study about the Indian states and union territories, who want to know about the demographical aspects of each and every Indian states and union territories. Now I am going to run this Jupyter Notebook on Google Colab. And here all the codes are executed. I have used two very famous Python libraries, Pandas and Folium, in this project. Pandas I have used for data cleaning and creating data frames, and Folium I have used to create the leaflets of world map on which the Indian states and union territories will be marked upon. And here I have downloaded a dataset Population India Census 2011.csv file from external source which contains all the demographical data regarding each and every Indian states. Now I have explored the downloaded datasets using data.info function, which gives me this insight about the data. There are 8 columns and 36 entries in the data. There are 8 columns whose names are serial number, state, union territories, population, rural and urban population, and different aspects are there present in the dataset. Now I have created the copy of a original dataset so that we can use it for further processing. And here the most important aspect of this project is I have collected this latitudinal and longitudinal information of different Indian states and union territories, which will be used while marking the different states and union territories on the leaflet of the map. Now here there are some values missing for the some union territories, longitudinal and latitudinal values, so I have to use dropna function to drop the rows with null values. And here finally we have created the data set. This is the final data set, and now using this folium.map function I have created this statementarian of this world map. You can see here, and this code is going to mark each and every state and union territory of India on the map using these circle markers. And whenever we are going to click on this circle markers, it is going to give some insight about that state. Like it is showing Madhya Pradesh urban population this much, rural population this much, area covered by the state, population density of the state, and gender ratio in that particular state. We can see similarly for every state by just clicking over the circle marker present on the map. So this is all about my project. Thank you.